Monday, February 5th through Thursday, February the 8th, also the week of conferences,
CJHS will celebrate Unity Week in a variety of ways, and we need your help to prepare for it.
The first activity we will begin today is a collective art display.
Each person will color and decorate one pre-cut circle.
The colors you choose to put on your circle should have a specific meaning or significance to you. No words, please.
When everyone in your advice group is done with their circle, we will display them in a whole school art display.
There is a sample of a few finished circles on the back of this page.
This mural allows a visual representation of how connected we really are and how our lives have been touched by so many of the same things.
So have fun, be creative, and show your uniqueness by coloring and decorating your circle.
While you get started on this, we have a few more things to go over with you.
You also have an If You Really Knew Me form.
We've all heard the saying, everyone is fighting a battle we know nothing about.
For this task, all we ask is that you think of something that you have dealt with or are currently going through, and finish the sentence, if you really knew me, you'd know.
You do not need to put your name on it, as it is completely anonymous.
The information you put down will go on a cloud we will put on display.
We're hoping this initiative can raise some awareness as to what students go through on a daily basis and hopefully bring us all closer together.
In the spirit of making new connections with people and getting to know one another, we all are inviting you to sign up for Cocoa Buddies so you get to know someone new.
simply fill out the sign-up sheet today and we will arrange a 15-minute block of your time during your school day for you to meet a fellow CGHS student in the library, get to know each other, and have some cocoa and cookies. We encourage and invite you to participate. You may be surprised how much you have in common with others.
This activity will be happening Tuesday and Wednesday, February 6th and 7th. Monday, January 15th was a national holiday in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Today you will be voting for our 2018 MLK Award recipients.
Please nominate any 2 teachers and any 2 students from our school which you feel represent the values and life's work of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
The individuals that you should nominate should demonstrate and perpetuate the characteristics of Dr. King, such as kindness, service to our school, community, leadership, and determination and courage.
The winners will be announced at our Unity Week Assembly on Monday, February 5th. Please remember, as Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. so eloquently said, darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that.
Let's all show some love during Unity Week and throughout our time together here at CGHS.